Student News. Today we'll be talking to you about the Kids Adventure program that will help kids study. This will start on November 5th, 2013. This tutoring program will be from Thursdays and Tuesdays. It'll be 1 hour each day. You can come from either 3:15 to 4:15 or 4:20 to 5:20. On to you, Austin.
This paid program is $30 a day. Call now, 303-771-1160.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!